Hello, everyone. Good news, good news, good news. Yes, I'm sure you already have an inclination to what I'm about to show you. AI marketing is back in business. How about that? Yeah, I'm so happy because, not every system that gets attacked has the ability to come back. It takes a real, legit, you know, strong one to survive an attack from the Russian government and whatnot. So, yesterday was the last meeting, and yesterday was 15th. And when we got the news, we got the minutes of yesterday's meeting. We were so excited, and that's why I'm happy I had to shoot this video just now. That was when I just got the time. So let me show you the minutes of the meeting that held yesterday. So you can see from the minutes before me, you can see the date, minutes during the briefing of August 15th, 2021. Now, let me go through just a few things that I'm sure a lot of us, didn't get so correctly. As usual, I will go through the major points first. Why do we need the new cashback website? Now, this cashback website was shared in the official Telegram news channel of AI marketing. And when it was shared, a lot of us took that information to mean that that's the new website that we'll be using. And so that's what he was trying to address here. He says many users didn't understand why we opened a new cashback website. They think we are moving assets and the market bot to the new website. This is not correct. The site continues to be AI.marketing. We only need the new cashback website to link to merchandise using the new website and to channel traffic to cashback offers through it. It has a strictly technical purpose to help us minimize the effect of traffic limiting. Okay. Why not have that's question two? Why not have created mirror sites? Okay. So he explained why they didn't create mirror sites and all that. But man, a lot of things were talked about, I must say, and it all went from concerns to what should be done now and all that. But in the end, he in the end, this minute was able to allow us know that a whole lot of things that he said was going to be done have been done. Just a few things left. Now let's look at question number 12. Good evening, Eugene. Will the launch of new advertising campaigns be done in 48 hours or with a delay? The answer was we plan to start tomorrow, which is today. Today is the 16th, and the program will be 48 hours. So, what I take this to mean is that in 48 hours, they begin to launch out new campaigns, new advertising campaigns. Now, how soon will affiliate rewards arrive at IMB? It used to be 8 to 10 days. Now they addressed that also, and they said it wouldn't take that much time to arrive anymore. And then the next meeting will take place in a week from now, which is this Saturday, to 21st of August at 6 p.m. GMT plus zero. Now, with this news, what it simply means is that the migration they have been doing all along, they have done the most of it. And so what they are beginning to do now is they want to start again. They want to start launching out their new campaigns. And when that starts, of course, it means that we begin to have back the robots push out adverts and then bring our cash back to us as usual. So it's a huge progress that we have made. It doesn't mean that they're 100% done with everything they're doing, but they are ready to launch out new campaigns. And so there's one advice from during the minutes of the meeting. And that advice, I don't want us to go past it. Let me look for it. Now, here it says, do you think we can reinvest, for example, $10 just tomorrow to relaunch our bot, or we have to wait before doing that? Now, he says, I have already written my suggestion. It's your choice whether you trust my opinion or not. Now, the suggestion that he wrote about it is, he said that, that's in question number 2. Since we have over 3 million accounts, it takes time to recalculate them all. That's recalculating all that has been changed. Hello, what about accounts that haven't been changed? Talking about changes in monies you've made that were not yet added before things went down and all of that. So he answered that you can wait for your account to be recalculated, or you can purchase advertising and top up your advertising balance to activate your robot. Of course, if you have a network of referrals and you do not want to lose commissions, we advise you to deposit a minimum of $10 before your downline does it, so it will not affect the recalculation. So, what we advise to do is take $10, top your robot up with $10. It's just a way of launching, nudging your robot back into activity. That's how I'll put it. Okay. So if you've been with AI marketing, you know that it's possible your account is not reading the actual status it's supposed to read, because of course the robot was still working when that thing happened. But some of us, the whole limitation didn't allow our accounts to read exactly as it should read at that time. So the advice is that you purchase, like you activate your robot with $10 minimum, so that it nudges your robot back into activity, and then everything can go as soon as planned. I know of someone already who topped up his account with about $15 yesterday, and then right now that $15 has already moved from his ad balance to his advertising budget, which is proof that things are beginning to work back again. So, good news, guys. I'm so happy to, finally come back with this good news after, I think, over a month or so. So, yes, we are here. We're back in business. It's time to make more money. And of course, we've been enjoying what AI marketing has been giving us. So it's time to make more money. If you are someone who loves to refer, who likes the money, the bonuses that come from referrals, go ahead. If you're yet to sign up, if you are yet to sign up now, you don't want to allow something as legit, okay, and as long standing as this to pass you by. I'll leave a link below so you can sign up. And please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook Messenger, okay? I'm always there. My team, guys, I already shared this news with you. This is just a video to further expatiate and help you see what you need to do and what not, okay? And lastly, I'll just say, if you're new to my channel, you don't know anything about AI marketing, all you need to do is just to go through my channel. It's been all about AI marketing, so you can get all the info that you need here. And if you have any questions, I have the comment section open. You can always ask and I'll be right there to answer you. So do hit the bell button, give me a thumbs up, share this video, okay, subscribe to my channel so you can get more updates, okay? Take care and have a beautiful evening. Bye.